Alright guys, in this video I want to answer a question that I've been asked before, and that's concerning, and I know you guys were waiting for the programming video for this guy to drop, but work has been really busy, but I wanted to leave you with a little something and answer one of the questions that I've been asked before. So we're making these teeny tiny robots. What do they do for you? Can they can they go to the corner store and get you a gallon of milk? Can they go to the fridge and get you a cold pop? Uh, Maybe not now. Maybe not now. But in the future they will. And so the idea is that I needed something to teach and get kids excited about science, technology, engineering, math, and this was one of the ways to do it. And I'll show you the group of robots that we have here. And so you can see all these guys are just tabletop robots, right? What can they do in an industrial setting, right? Can these guys go and build something, or you know, you can do experiments on the table. So one of the considerations, right, when you're trying to teach a huge class, and happened often at the makerspace, you had a lot of students. You wanted to make this accessible to everybody, and small robots like this, and it's not a robot in the purest sense of the word, right? People like to use robot for things that move autonomously. This fits that bill, but it doesn't have any logic on. Well, it doesn't have any microprocessor or our processing capabilities. It has some simple logic with these switches, but it did, it fit the bill. It was the tool for the job to teach what we were teaching. It got the students interested, and it was very low cost. So tiny robots like this really helped in that teaching environment. And really, the apparent value of something is not so apparent to everybody. So the thing is that if you can explain what something does with great detail, or tell them, hey, look, in this situation, all of the disciplines that you use, you use a little math, you use a little engineering, you use a little programming, you use a little bit of everything, even some art, when you're because when you create a robot, the end use of it is, in some cases the robot works by itself. In other cases, there is a lot of interaction with humans. At this point, at least, there's a lot of interaction with humans, at least until they replace us all. And then, anyway, and these robots, obviously, they're so small that maybe when you get them into a swarm, that they'll be able to work together and do something big. But if we don't get these engineers interested today in creating these robots and getting into all of these fields that contribute to creating robots in the future, when we have materials, science keeps marching on in terms of AI and things like that, yeah, we won't have the people interested in putting the things together that we're going to need to get the technology there. So there you go. That's my 2 cents on creating tiny robots for use in the classroom. If you have any questions on any of the robots that you saw on the table there, feel free to ask. And as always, thank you for spending this time with me. I do appreciate it. And if you liked the video, please like, subscribe, share, so that we can keep creating these videos. And and in our little way, just keep spreading some knowledge. See you in the next video.